launching new campaigns, so as one of the endorsers, I'm doing a pictorial in different outfits, from casual to formal. At sobra akong excited for this kasi I'm wearing a superhero costume for the first time. Kahit sa photoshoot, na-experience ko maging superhero. Find out what kind of superhero I am. Hello! I'm doing a photo shoot for my phone. Naman po pa-wide ng shot. Ayan! Naka-superhero outfit po ako, costume. Ayan, kasi yun ang theme natin. Mga superheroes po kami, mga endorsers. Kasama ko si Miss Ann Verde at si Mr. Piolo Pascual. So, ako ang special powers ko ay ako ang goddess of fire. So, ayun.
We started with yung naka-superhero outfit siya. Ngayon kasi they were explain sa akin na parang she was fire. So medyo may pagka-fierce, intense. I used a lot of copper and some red. Pero not too much kasi it's not fantasy naman eh. We still have to stick to Sarah being beautiful. So there, and then the lips naman I also used something like on the brighter side. It's more makeup, a little bit more color. Usually, most of the time, hair and makeup is dictated by the outfit. So, very important that stylists, whether it be for the clothes, for the hair, and for the makeup, yung nag-uusap at to agree upon like kung anong para total look talaga.
So, ginawa namin na parang may twist ng konti. So, parang modern na superhero na Pinoy. So, in-incorporate namin yung bahag sa mga costume. Yeah, yung belt na, basta doon naka-indicate yung mga logo ng my phone, syempre, either sa belt or sa chest, which sa case si Sarah is yung nasa belt.
Kami po yung gumagawa ng costume ni Sarah from my phone. Siya yung goddess of fire. Ang material po niya ay leatherette, white and red and gold. At saka, ang mga crystal niya ay, ito po yung tinatawag na gem crystal. Kumikilang talaga siya. Bagay sa kanya, tsaka maganda ang tignan sa kanya yung costume. Lahat ng accessories, bumagay naman sa kanya pati yung kulay. Siyempre po, masaya yung shop namin, pati si Mang Regine, kasi pinili kami ng my phone. Sa lahat ng mga gumagawa ng mga costume ng cosplay, kami yung napili nila.
This is actually the second photo shoot for Sarah Geronimo under the my phone brand. So currently we have, of course, Sarah Geronimo as our endorser, Ann Curtis, Piolo Pascual, and the Accelerate. So everybody will be doing a superhero concept shoot. She's the goddess of fire, that's right. We have very soon, my phone will be launching its superhero dual life campaign. Well, just to divert maybe, from what you normally see with Sarah. Sarah, you see her as this sweet, vulnerable girl. We wanted to do something different this time around. Instead of making her look sweet and nice and very kind, maybe, yun nga sabi ko, I want Sarah to look fiercer. And what could be more fiercer than having the power of fire? She can manipulate and she can make fire.
Ngayon, may additional challenge. Buti na lang, ngayon nahiya siya ng konti. Kasi superheroes hindi pa niya ginagawa yon. It's her first time to do something like that. So yung mga pag-post nakita mo, in the middle of the take, biglang matatawa na lang, o biglang nahiya to. Pero pag-take naman, bigay na yan wala, erase na yung mga ibang tao around her Pag kumaga, nagiging shot ako na lang Tapos ano naman, post gagawin niya So, okay lang.
This is her first time to do it eh. So, naging conscious siya with it na, maganda ba ako dito? Okay ba to? Okay ba yung pose? And she was more concerned with us kung nakukuha ba namin yung gusto namin makuha from her. I mean, wala naman siya problema. And to think, I've known her when she's been given an image na napaka-sweet eh. Eh dito biglang fierce. Kasi pag fierce siya biglang, you know, she'll break into laughter in between eh. Kasi hindi siya sanay. Yung crouching position, yung pang ala Black Widow na nakababa, wala lang naman sa kanya. Although, ang conscious lang naman sa kanya, lalapit lang siya, sure, hindi naman natin natingnan. O, ang pinaka-point lang niya, huwag lang siya magmukhang, bitin o nakailang.
First time po magsuot ng superhero costume. At natutuwa ako na ang nag-design pa po nun si Miss Eugene Tolentino. So thank you, Mr. Jean, for that outfit, for that costume. Okay naman po. Hindi naman siya mainit na mainit.
Ngayon lang yata ako mag-New Year's resolution kasi laging hindi natutupad. If ever, siguro, mag-iipon na lang mag-iipon this year.
Hindi na ako mag-iipon, kakain naman namin.